guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Wiccan store on Amazon and it comes with a crochet hook. The locks are 24 inches, color is 613, and comes with 7 packs for a total of 147 locks. They are also pre-looped, pretty soft, tight, and lightweight. To start off my hair, I braided it into about 80 individual braids. I used Shine and Jam on my roots and Cream of Nature argan oil throughout my braids and on the end of them to create a curl. And it took me about 5 hours to braid my hair. To begin crocheting my hair, I grab the lock I'll be using and my crochet hook. Then I insert the crochet hook underneath the start of my braid, attach the lock to my hook, close the hook, and I pulled the lock a few inches through. Then I unhook the crochet hook. Next I open up the pre-loop and grab my lock and braid and pull them through together. I then tighten the knot I created by pulling on my lock and braid. Then I grab my crochet hook and insert it into the center of the lock a few inches down from the start of it. And I make my way all the way to the top of the lock and push the crochet hook through. Once it's through, I attach the middle or end of my braid to it and pull it through the lock. Then I twist the lock around my braid to better hide it. Once that's done, I repeat the steps until the braid is all the way hidden in the lock. And now these locks are blonde and my hair is black, so any small mistake will be noticeable and I'll likely have some of my braids peeking or showing through the locks. So I prefer to do this technique when the locks are a little thicker or a darker color or one that's closer to my hair color so that the braids will blend in better. And this is the final look. It took me about 5 hours to crochet the locks, and I used about 4 packs of hair, so I have 3 packs left. And I was hesitant to try this color. I wasn't sure it would look right on me, and I'm not crazy about it. It does look okay though. Definitely not my favorite. And the color is so light that if a lock touches my face, my makeup transfers over to it. And some of my braids are showing through the locks as well. But let me know what you guys thought of this style and this color. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.